Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of luxury performance SUVs with none other than the 2026 Aston Martin DBX 707. This isn't just any SUV, it's a bold statement from Aston Martin, merging brutal power with refined British elegance. If you're a fan of speed, sophistication, and sheer presence on the road, this is the review you've been waiting for. Let's begin with the exterior, where the DBX 707 commands attention from every angle. The design is muscular yet graceful, featuring an aggressively large front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a wide stance that hints at the power underneath. The sculpted hood lines and side skirts are not just for show, they enhance aerodynamics and cooling. Around the back, a quad exhaust setup and an integrated spoiler highlight the SUV's performance DNA. It rides on bold 22-inch wheels, with an option to upgrade to 23s, giving it an even more dominant road presence. Every detail, from the carbon fiber accents to the satin chrome finishes, screams exclusivity and performance. Inside, the 2026 DBX 707 is all about luxury and tech working in perfect harmony. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber. The front seats are heavily bolstered for spirited driving but remain incredibly comfortable for long journeys. There's a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen placed seamlessly in the center, while Aston still uses a touchpad interface instead of full touch functionality. It's intuitive and well integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers aren't left out either. There's plenty of legroom, premium climate control, and optional entertainment screens. The panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting elevate the experience to first class. Now, performance is where the DBX 707 truly separates itself. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 707 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. Paired with a 9-speed wet-clutch automatic transmission, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. That's supercar territory. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive triple-chamber air suspension ensure it handles like a sports car whether you're on the highway or carving mountain roads. Carbon ceramic brakes come standard, offering serious stopping power to match the DBX's incredible acceleration. As for pricing, the 2026 Aston Martin DBX 707 starts around $245,000, but fully optioned models can push well past $270,000. It's expensive, no doubt, but it delivers exclusivity, performance, and luxury in one flawless package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about this beast. Catch you in the next review.